And now with a song from his new LP, here's Johnny Young.